Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro. Today, we're diving into the adrenaline-pumping world of supersport motorcycles with the unveiling of the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1. A symbol of track-focused engineering and cutting-edge technology, the R1 enters 2025 with performance refinements and a sharper focus on rider engagement, design and aerodynamics. The 2025 R1 carries forward Yamaha's aggressive race-inspired design language but with subtle enhancements to its aerodynamics. The front fairing has been slightly reshaped for improved wind deflection, and new winglet designs offer better downforce at high speeds. Slimmer LED headlights and a more compact tail section lend the bike a sleeker, more futuristic appearance, while the new matte and metallic color schemes add a premium visual punch. Engine and performance. At its heart, the YZF-R1 retains the potent 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine with crossplane crankshaft architecture, delivering razor-sharp throttle response and immense top-end power. For 2025, Yamaha has made internal refinements for better heat management and marginal weight savings. The power output remains close to 200 horsepower, but with enhanced mid-range torque delivery, giving riders more usable performance both on and off the track. Chassis and handling. Yamaha's aluminum delta box frame continues to underpin the R1, paired with fully adjustable KYB suspension front and rear. In 2025, the suspension gets revised damping settings aimed at improving feedback during high-speed cornering. The bike feels tighter and more responsive, with the front end offering excellent feedback under hard braking. A lightweight rear subframe and magnesium wheels contribute to even better agility. Electronics and rider aids. The R1 has always led in electronic sophistication, and the 2025 model raises the bar. The IMU-based system now features an improved traction control algorithm, cornering ABS, slide control, and launch control. A larger 5-inch TFT display replaces the older screen, offering more customization and easier navigation. Ride modes have also been expanded to include a new Track Pro setting for advanced riders. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R1 isn't a radical overhaul, it's a precision refinement of an already iconic machine. Sharper, lighter, and more responsive, it remains a top-tier choice for riders seeking the ultimate balance of power, technology, and racetrack DNA. For more expert motorcycle content, keep it locked right here on Bike Reviews Pro.